Hey everybody, Justin Cena here. How's it going? I've got a great video for you. This video is actually all about videos that you're going to want to get created for your e-commerce store. And I'm going to talk about how great e-commerce product videos can almost instantly make you more money. And I'm going to talk about not only how you'll use them for ads, but how you're going to also use them throughout your business. And the best video content wins when it comes to e-commerce. You oftentimes see those really successful Facebook ads or Instagram ads where they do a really cool kind of product walkthrough, or they show really happy people enjoying the product. That's a really kind of easy model to follow in terms of this idea that the best video content wins. How can you make your product stand out, right? How can you make it look like when you buy this product, you're going to be as happy as the people in the video? Right? And when you're running Facebook and Instagram ads, you're literally competing for attention with every other post, every status update, every photo, every video, every group, every event. Right? You only have one opportunity to stand out, especially when you're doing ads. So first of all, just in terms of video versus photo, we're always going to find an advantage with video. You're going to get cheaper CPM. But when you have really good video, you're going to get that cheaper CPM, and you're also going to get that higher click-through rate. Right? More people are going to click on your ad because you have an engaging video. And an engaging video or a well-done video will answer product questions up front. Right? It's way more engaging than a photo. It's going to be able to allow you to showcase the product, and more importantly, showcase it with a happy customer, or with someone actually using it or having it function in the way that you're selling it. Right? If let's say it's a t-shirt, right? You're having models actually wearing the shirt. Let's say it's some type of gadget. You have someone actually using it, doing the actual function of whatever the gadget is, right? It really answers those product questions. It builds trust. It showcases the happy customer, and really more importantly, it gives you that higher click-through rate. And don't think this is just for ads either, right? You could reuse these videos throughout your entire business. Put them on a product page. Put them on the reviews page. Put them on your home page. Put them anywhere you want, right? Upload them to YouTube, right? They don't just have to be for Facebook or Instagram or for wherever you're running your paid ads. Now, on the flip side, obviously, we'd all love to have incredibly high-quality video content. There are definitely some pain points associated with that. They're hard to create, right? It's always harder than it seems. There's no doubt about that. I can tell you from experience. It's always more annoying. The lighting is always harder. The sound doesn't come out as good. The editing isn't, as straightforward as you think. It all takes a lot of time and experience and skill. And on top of that, it's hard to create a vision. You're not just going to stick the product on a mannequin and then take a 30-second video of you walking around the 360 view of the mannequin. I don't think that's going to be a popular or a quite engaging t-shirt ad, right? You need to create a story. You need to record the necessary steps or shots to tell that story in an effective manner. And, this can't go on for 4 minutes long, right? We need to have something that functions well as an ad. And even if you did have the vision and the ability to create the videos, you need to find the time. And when you're an e-com entrepreneur, you're already responsible for a huge amount of things. You're wearing a huge amount of hats. Video content creation probably isn't going to be one of the best uses of your time. So the question is, how do you always get a high-quality e-commerce product video? And I'm going to show you how simple it is when you use Ecomly. And you see the link directly below this video. First of all, I highly recommend using Ecomly. They are really pros at what they do. And I really invite you to take a look at the link below this video. We'll go over the shoulder. I'll show you exactly why I use Ecomly. You're looking at Ecomly, and you see the link directly below this video, ecomlyads.com. And really a lot of different things going on this page. I want to kind of call attention to the most important and really the most that are relevant for you when you go out there and look to get a video done for your e-commerce store. First things first, talking about fast delivery, 24 to 72 hours. They understand how to make videos. They understand how to get it done in a reasonable amount of time to get them back to you so you can get your products up and running in terms of your ads. And really, it's as simple as just basically choosing the different ad that you want and fill out a basic form. It's going to take you just a matter of minutes. You basically talk about the ad type you want, the store that you have, the product that you're selling, all that important information to build the best possible video. And then you just sit back and relax. 24 to 72 hours later, you're going to get the actual ad in your email ready to go. You'll be able to start using that for your ads. And really one of the best parts, unlimited revisions here if they don't get it right on the first try. here's some of the really cool examples. And I think what's interesting to note is that you might have been thinking about using a product like this blender or like this ab exercise tool or this kind of sit down desk, right? And you were thinking, okay, how can I differentiate myself from the competition, right? Many people are selling this little ab automatic strengthener or this little desk or this blender, right? These are common drop shipping products. And here's the video over here. Okay, so you see what's going on there. A lot of different kind of best practices when it comes to video. First of all, obviously, in terms of formatting, this is formatted for social media. So we're talking about being able to be used for Facebook ads, for Instagram ads, for Snapchat, TikTok ads, Google, YouTube, whatever we want. Anytime we could use a video, we can use one of Ecomly Ads. And we saw a lot of different opportunities to kind of showcase the product. That's obviously what videos can do best. And Ecomly's videos do a great job of showcasing the actual product. How is it going to be used? How does it function? What can I expect as a customer? All of that was answered throughout this video. And I think another thing that we saw, and you could even see it really in all of these, the actual kind of convincing of the customer or the potential customer that the product is going to do what you're going to say it's going to do. Right? If you describe this as a tool to strengthen the abs, we're going to see users actually enjoying using it to do that. You see, so in this one, people enjoying the result of their actual shake or actually using the blender in the actual video. That's proof that increases your conversion rate. We're not just talking about getting a higher click-through rate on the ads. We're talking about having ads that will lead to a higher conversion rate on your store, because they fully explain, much better than a picture or even a description can do, fully explain what the product can do, and moreover, explain the benefits and the feelings, the positive feelings that the customers will have when they use it. Let's take a look at another example over here. Again, literally answering the customer's concerns, telling them exactly how they're going to benefit, and then showing them, right, the social proof, right? Even though this is an ad, they're actually seeing it work. Right, social proof, happy people holding it, using it. So another example over there, and really more of the same, right? User-generated content in terms of the idea that we're showing people using it, even though it isn't submitted from customers, it's giving the idea and giving the feeling that, okay, this is how you're going to enjoy this once you buy it. And here is another great example. And of course, you might have considered selling a product like this before. All right, so telling the story again with basically pictures, and they picked models that were fit, right? Because the idea is they're selling that result. They're selling that as a solution or as a means to get that as an end result, right? Having a fit body with a six-pack, blah, blah, blah. So, again, these are made by marketers who are turned video editors in terms of their skill sets are kind of combined. So they're not just about flashy videos, they're about videos that convert. Again, they're about videos that are going to not only increase your click-through rate when they're scrolling the news feed, so they're going to click on your ad, but because they're so descriptive, because they showcase those elements that increase conversion rate, we're going to make more money from these ads as well. Right? And again, really, this is the most important thing. It's not just that they're nice videos, they're product videos that sell. Right? They're high converting, they answer those questions, right? They ease any concerns that the customer might have, and they lead them right to, of course, the buying page, the product page. So pretty simplistic. You can get video ads for Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, TikTok. Straightforward, but very powerful because, again, these ads really convert at a high level. You could take a look at some of their massive results just in terms of ads being run through videos that they have created. We're talking about 5+ figure results in terms of just 18 days a month. Here's a 5-figure result just in one day. And we all know how big results can get. And, this kind of speaks also to the idea of being able to scale. If you have a great video, you could scale that out to hundreds of different audiences, reaching tens of millions of people, sometimes hundreds of millions of people, depending on your niche. So really, really great. I highly recommend them. They do a great job at kind of creating these drop shipping videos. You see their pricing package over here. Pick one that best suits your needs. Basically the number of videos and the number of thumbnails that they'll create for you. It kind of varies in each package. But I really like Ecomly. Again, they have in-house video editors. It's not like they're outsourcing it to somewhere else. So take a look at the link again directly below this video. You can take a look at all of the information about the process. Very simple. You really need to provide just a bare minimum of information. They'll get to work and simply provide you with your ad. You get full ownership. You get full control. You get the original file, all that great stuff. And that's why I use Ecomly Ads. Take a look at them. Link in the description. Hope this helps you make some money, and I'll talk to you real soon.